In this video we are going to break down the top 5 fish aquarium filters, and give you our honest opinions about the best products on the market. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. First up we have the Aquamiracle Aquarium Filter True Flow 200 GPH, Max Lift 3 feet, Power 6W. For tank size of 40 to 120 gallons. This fish filter provides not only filtration, but also aeration and circulation to your tank. The flow rate is adjustable to meet different requirements to grow fish and plants. The filter's height is 11.22 inch, 28.5 centimeters, and diameter is 2.56 inch, 6.5 centimeters. Fully submersible. This fish tank filter is fully submersible with epoxy-sealed motor. Each product has been submerged in water and tested with super high voltage before X-work. True 3-stage filtration. Stage 1 mechanical filtration. The sponge block works as a pre-filter to catch large size impurities such as food residue, fish excrements, plant leaves, etc. Kenyatta from the United States gave this product 5 stars and said, "If you like cleaning your tank a lot, then use this filter." Next up we have the Aquarium Quiet Flow 30 LED. Provides mechanical, chemical, biological filtration plus additional assistance with the Aquarium specialty filter pads. LED indicator light flashes when it's time to replace clogged cartridges by monitoring actual water levels. Ruben from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Very quiet, works great." Trisha from England gave this product 5 stars and said, "Easy to install. Works well." Darlene from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, "I have several of these filters in all different types of tanks and they work great. The replacement cartridges are not terribly expensive and depending on your tank, they can last quite a while." Our next product comes highly recommended, the Kohler Products Replacement Filter. Kohler Products Hawkeye Aquariums. Fits Kohler Products aquariums and Hawkeye aquariums using excess replacement filter cartridges. Leanne from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, "Easy to use and effective." Nigel from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Pleased with that product, smiley face." Kyla from Australia gave this product 5 stars and said, "Keeps the aquarium water clean." Annie from New Zealand gave this product 5 stars and said, "Nice value, and seems to work well." Olivia from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Working well, happy with purchase." Marion from the United States gave this product 5 stars and said, "These are the perfect filter replacements for our little tank filter for our beta and the price is right." Next up we have the Marineland Penguin Bio Wheel Power Multi-stage filtration, delivers mechanical, chemical and biological aquarium filtration to maintain a clean aquatic environment. 5 sizes, available in 75 GPH, 100 GPH, 150 GPH, 200 GPH and 350 GPH sizes. Lloyd from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, "I thought the larger size might be too noisy for my small office where my tank is, but it is very quiet." Gwendolyn from the United States gave this product 5 stars and said, "This item came without a standard UK plug, so I'm unable to use it with the 2-pronged plug it came with. Very disappointed. Why not provide a UK plug when they know it's coming to the UK?" Don't worry. We didn't forget to talk about the Terrarium Aquarium Filter UV. Separate switches control the water pump and fish tank light separately. When you only want to use the aquarium filter function, you can turn off the fish tank UV light separately. Joseph from Australia gave this product 5 stars and said, "These pictures were taken 3 days apart. I had to switch my canister filter out and ended up with a terrible algae bloom. Could not for the life of me get my beautiful crystal clear water back. Diana from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Bought this for my pond that, despite my bog filter, developed green water. The images show my pond before, use after 1 day, 3 days, and 5 days. Truly amazing results, happy to see my fishies again." I hope you enjoyed our video about the top 5 fish aquarium filters. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.